Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store error 941 on Android devices. Okay guys, so this error happens when you try to update an app on Google Play Store. I'm gonna show you a couple of methods over here and you can try that out, and let's see if this fixes your issue or not. Okay, so method one we have is you have to clear the you have to clear the cache and data of Google Play Store, Google Play Services. And guys, if you see Google Services Framework download manager, then you have to clear their cache and data as well. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so just tap on just go to the settings of your phone and find your apps or application manager. So I have apps. Okay, you might have application manager, so just tap on it and just swipe to the right to all tabs and find here Google Play Store. So let me find, where is it? Okay, so here I have Google Play Store. Okay, just tap on it and then tap on clear data and then tap on OK. And guys, you need to go back and find your Google Play Services. So here I have Google Play Services, and just tap on it and then tap on manage space and then tap on clear all data and then tap on OK. And you need to go back, and guys, you need to find Google Services Framework and download manager. Okay, so I have Google Services Framework over here. Just tap on it and then tap on clear data and then tap on OK. And you need to go back and you need to find download manager. So here I have download manager. Just tap on it and then tap on clear data and then tap on OK. Okay guys, and you need to go back, and after that you need to remove your Google account and re-add it again. Okay, and if you have more than one Google account associated, then you have to remove every account. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so just go to the settings of your phone and find here accounts. So here I have accounts. Just tap on it and then tap on Google, tap on Gmail, tap on these three dots over here and then tap on remove account and then tap on remove account. So as you can see that our Google account has been removed. And guys, you need to do this for every Google account if you have more than one. Okay, over here. Okay, so after you're done removing all of your Google accounts, if you have more than one, then you have to re-add it again. Okay, so how you can do that? Just tap on this add account and then tap on Google. As you can see, it's checking info. Okay, so just enter your email over here and then tap on next. Just enter your password and then tap on next. Just accept the terms of service. As you can see, it's checking info, so we need to wait a little bit. So you have to scroll down over here and then tap on this next. Okay guys, so as you can see that our Google account has been added, and after that you need to reboot your phone and go to Play Store and just try to update an app. Okay, and try this method 1, and let's see if this fixes your issue or not. Okay guys, so suppose you tried this method 1 and it doesn't fix your issue, then you can go for this method 2. Okay, so you have to uninstall the updates of Google Play Store if you have it. So how you can do that? Just go to the settings of your phone and find your apps or application manager. So here I have apps, just tap on it and then swipe to the right to all tabs and find here Google Play Store. So here I have Google Play Store, just tap on it, and here you need to uninstall the updates. Okay, so just tap on uninstall updates. As you can see, uninstall updates, all updates to this Android system app will be uninstalled. Okay, so just tap on OK. As you can see, Google Play Store, do you want to replace this app with the factory version? Yes, just tap on OK. As you can see, it's uninstalling the updates and it's uninstall finished. Okay, and guys, after that you need to open your Google Play Store and just try to update an app. Okay, and let's see if this fixes your issue or not. Okay, so try all these methods and let me know in the comment section whether you are able to fix this issue or not, this error 941. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my another tutorials. And if this video helps you, then please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye bye, take care.